Hello! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Handyman at your service. Guys, we're going to repair Samsung LED TV defective pictures with horizontal lines, panel repair. Here's the model number of the unit, UA32H5100. Here's the trouble of the unit. The video display has horizontal lines appear at the bottom portion of the panel. Okay, let's start to repair the unit. As we noticed, the unit has T-con board. Let's check the voltage reading in the timing control board. Vin is 12.66 volts DC, which is normal. VGH is 31.08 volts DC, which is normal. VGL is negative 10.38 volts DC, which is also normal. AVDD is 17.52 volts DC, and it is also normal. Let's troubleshoot the unit. We are going to apply the panel display isolation to identify which portion are defective. Let's try to remove and hang the ribbon number 1 connecting from T-con board to LCD panel. As we can see, there's no display appear in the LCD. Let's return the ribbon number 1 to the socket terminal, and let's try to remove and hang the ribbon number 2 and check the display. As we can see, the same, there's no display appear in the LCD because of the missing data connection from T-con board to the panel. That's why it reacts like this. To repair this problem, we are going to block the VGL voltage going to the ribbon number 2 to solve this trouble. Here's the location of our blocking materials. We can use thermal tape or Scotch tape to secure this approach. Okay, let's test the unit. Guys, we repaired the unit and the picture is normal. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. Maraming salamat po.